Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for visiting today. So today I'll be working on this hair. We want to make some sort of Fulani braids, but we're going to work with flat twists and some weave.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day
So first, her hair is all natural, so I always work with natural hair without blow drying. So the first thing with natural hair, you just spritz. I'm using the Next Tone After All's Leave-In Hydrating Spritz to moisturize her hair so that I can be able to part it without breakage and without tension on her scalp. And now I'm going to separate the hair into two sections, the front and the back section. The front section is the one that is going to be having the flat twist. The back section is going to be having the weave. And then the back section, I'm just going to tie it down using a thread like that and then start doing the flat twist. I'm going to try to show you how I do the flat twist. I use a very awkward method that every client usually talk about. Like, I braid from the front towards the back. First, I'm going to use a Next Tone Aloe Moisturizing Cream. And then I'm going to be using the wax at the base for neatness. I find it easy to use this method to flat twist. So mainly I stand on the right side of the client and then I braid towards the back like that. Another secret to achieve perfect flat twist is to make sure that you're twisting the strands, you're grasping before adding another grasp of hair. I don't know that that makes sense. So you take the strands you're holding and then you roll them like you're rolling them once, and then you lay it flat on the head, pressing that with a thumb, and then you grasp another hair and you continue doing that. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't yet, maybe you can observe the next flat twist I'm going to make, so that you'll be able to get a thing or two about the basics. Keep watching.
We are two wanderers at dawn of the world full of war. Early sunrise, I gave promise. You said always, and we run and dance. I'm fine, you're in. I'm preaching, you're my church. I'm in, and you're my Eve. I'm your Adam, and no one is right. Oh, this world is so blind. Feel no doubts in your eyes. You said always, and we run and dance. Two strangers who fell in love in the world of wolves. Late sunset, you said yes, I said always, and we run and dance. I'm a water, you're a wave, I'm a player, you're my prize, I'm a ghost, you're a house, you're my body, I'm your fly, and no one is right. Oh, this world is so blind, feel no doubts in your eyes. You said always, and we run and dance. We run and dance.
So now that I'm done with the flat twist at the front, I'm working with the back to make some cornrows for weaving and then sew in the weave. I'll show you the weave we're using in a bit.
Like two fires, movement so graceful. Wildcat in the jungle with dangerous claws. Movement she anticipates, a sight is set on her prey like stars in the darkest.
So with the cornrows at the back, I'm just going to tuck the ends with a crochet hook. I thought I finished with the front first, so I'm using this Afro twist braid to extend the flat twist I've done on the front with a long twist. This braid is very springy, so that's why I chose it for this work. It has a natural hair feel and it also bounces back really well, so it's going to bring out those puffy perfect twist for this look. You'll see the final result. So I'm just crocheting the braid and then braiding on the roots and then twisting towards the ends as you do any installation of bomb twist or spring twist. Here's an up close of the crochet method. So you just pull one strand of the braid like that, and then you equalize the strands. After that, you braid towards this direction like that. I don't know which direction you're going to choose. After which you're going to undo the twist you made with her hair at the end. Then you stuck the client's hair between the braids as you twist. This makes sure that you've protected the client's ends of the hair because they dry out really quick. So there you go. Here's the weave we are using. You can use any curly weave or wavy depending on the look the client wants, but we chose this deep weave, and it was a mix of 20 inch, 22 inch and 24 inches, so we chose to work with 20 inch and 22 inches. Alternatively, you can use a crochet braid of this kind if you get one, instead of going through the hell of sewing in a weave. I don't actually think I need to show you how to sew in a weave, but this is how I did it. I used a curved needle. It's easier and it's safer for both you and the client, and I just did it my way. So I'll maybe fasten this part so that we get to the part where I had to do another method to make sure that the weave appeared a natural sewing. I will now be cutting some strands of the weave to make some pieces for crochet at the front, because I want this to look like a nice transition, a nice natural transition, like we actually did a crochet at the back instead of a weave. So I'm just cutting off the strands from the weave and then fluffing them out so that they have the ends just like any other crochet braid. As you can see, I'm picking out very small size strands, and then I'm going to crochet them using the double loop method, where you crochet and then you loop it twice, or you can actually do it thrice. At some point 3 times looping worked. So this is what I am doing. I'm crocheting and then pulling that one side like that and looping it twice, thrice, and then easy. using a small size comb, you're going to fluff out the front like this so that you have the nice natural transition. While at it, please be very careful of pulling the client's hair because the size of the comb is really small. So you do this for the entire transition between the flat twist and the weave, but you're doing this to the crochet strands of the weave that you've installed. And finally, after you're done, this is how it looks. You can see it's a natural transition for real, as you can see. Look, that is so nice. And our work is done here. We're just about to brag to you about the nice hair we've done. But first, I am going to use this Freeze Control by Auntie Jackie's. It's kind of a setting mouse, mainly in the form of foam. You apply it like that, and then it just sets into the hair. It enhances curls and also the shine of the hair. You guys, I'm so excited to show you what we've created over here. So the next thing, I'm just going to dust off the ends of the hair that might be untidy, and this camera just decided to focus on my face instead of the hair, but that's all right. You can see I'm dusting them off. And the unveiling of the great creation. Turn, girl. Turn. Show them. I actually love the pop on the flat twists, and those waves, they are so classic. And look at the bounce. And also we tried these some pussycats on the front, and she looked gorgeous. Guys, if you've loved this video, please subscribe, share, and don't forget to like it. As you can see, I'm so happy. And she also loved the hair. She's saying hi because she loved the hair, and she's also trying to boast a bit. Doesn't she look beautiful, guys? That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you're new, and keep it here. Bye bye. See you in the next video.